Join us for an evening among the angels of the season, the colors, and the carols with the 12 stops of Christmas in Denver. Partnering with the Christkindlmarket, we'll tell you how Denver's festive traditions began in a 2-hour walking tour, all before ending at the market for that quintessential holiday shopping experience. We're calling it our Engelnacht, which translates to Angel Night. If you feel it sounds German, you're correct. And our evening together will be full of the flavors of that country that helped so much to build Denver. While every part of the country may celebrate the holidays, Denver has a special claim. It is the place where outdoor lighting first led to a national craze, turning downtown Denver into a colorful destination by the 1920s. It was even known as the Christmas capital of the United States. So that explains the lights. What of that Germanic heritage? When Denver was founded in 1858, Germans were the first major immigrant group to reach the fledgling city. They brought their culture, great food, and of course, lots of beer. So we get out and about to explore both of those Denver traditions. Our 2-hour walk will take us to many of the great light displays of downtown, like Union Station, Skyline Park, and the Mile High Tree. We'll talk about some of the famous Germans of old, whose hard work and frothy concoctions built the city we love. Finally, there will be that glowing example of both traditions right next to each other: the lights at the City and County Building and the Christkindlmarket. You'll be able to shop and dine all within the shimmering colors of the lights nearby. Join us for this 2-hour walking tour as we celebrate Denver's own Engelnacht. Willkommen!